Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on the Singapore market. If you are new to the channel, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more charting and price manipulations. In return, I'll tell you guys a joke. I was supposed to tell you guys a joke about banks, but I lost interest. Okay, anyways, jokes aside, do note that I'm just a humble chartist and I do not provide any buy or sell calls. Instead, I focus on the potential traps laid out by the market makers. Always remember that the stock market is never obvious. It's designed to fool most of the people most of the time. Before we start, I would like to just give a shout out to all my subscribers because we finally hit the $100 subscriber count. So I'm deeply appreciate all those who have subscribed so far. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at the STI. So STI has a very big correction recently, and the question now is today we actually had very much like a bullish engulfing candle. So a bullish engulfing candle is a indication of reversal, a trend reversal. And currently now it's lunchtime, so the market is not open. You will see that the STI has a past pattern of actually breaking its day clouds and thereafter reversing it. So people will tend to put their stop losses just below the clouds. So you can see that STI just broke its clouds yesterday, and today we did see a very strong bullish looking candles. So let's take a look at the respective components itself. Let's take a look at DBS. If you look at DBS, the same thing applies. You can see that there is a bullish engulfing candle here. So long as it continues to close well throughout the afternoon and even at the end of the day, then potentially we may see a reversal. Likewise, you can look at the MACD. The histogram just turned white, so that buyers are actually coming back. Same thing for UOB. UOB performed pretty well recently, so that is still an interest of the buyers. You can see that out of the three banks, it has not broken out of its cloud yet, and we did see cloud support. So on the way down, clouds acts as a support. On the way up, cloud will act as a resistance. So the thicker the cloud, the more support there is on the way down. So you can see that UOB has been supported by the cloud, and likewise the MACD is also trying to turn. So if we look at the last bank, which is OCBC, it's also a laggard bank. The last bank. Recently it dropped 5% and gap down. So there's this gap and still needs to be closed. You can see that also we had a potential reversal sign. However, it's not as green as compared to UOB and DBS. But the MACD is looking well. So if we can continue going up, then we can potentially see a reversal. So once again, to give a recap, the STI seems like it has bottomed out today, or rather yesterday rather. And in the event that in the afternoon sessions, we are able to close well near the peak, potentially about 3180 to about 3190, then the next few days we can potentially see a rebound. But of course, now that we are in the clouds, there may be some resistance ahead. Nevertheless, the sentiments in the New York market and the sentiments in the Hong Kong market will definitely play a role in this particular Singapore market. So if there's any changes, I will give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as you'll keep the uptrend or channel intact. Leave in the comment section below your thoughts on the Singapore market, or if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.